You ready to perform for all these people? You can see there is like thousands of people coming.
Oh, what's up, Nalu?
Hey, Nalu. And you have a business here?
Yeah, Salu's Kitchen. We're here feeding the artists today.
Here we go. He's so cute. I can't wait to watch him. Here you go, Tyler.
Did you want another strawberry lemonade? No? Okay. Nice yours.
Say bye, Tyler. Say something in Samoan. There's a lot of Samoan people watching. Can you speak Samoan?
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, get it. Oh, I guess I made this a little
Kind of an event called Fusion to perform tonight. A lot of people here, a lot of people. It's very pretty here. This is at a place in Washington called Dash Point, overlooking the Puget Sound ocean water. Yeah, you may hear the music in the background. I think this year's theme is like tropical paradise, so they have a bunch of Polynesian type food, but as you can see, mostly everyone here is Palangis, except the performers, of course.
Oh my gosh, that was a lot of fun, don't you think? Come on, make some noise! So, just in case, if you have no idea what the gentlemen were doing earlier, it's what we call the haka. Can you say that for me? Haka is basically a ceremonial war cry, and it basically represents community and unity. So that is what they were giving you a message to remind you that if you are a leader, I'm positively sure that we are all leaders here. If we were not leaders, we wouldn't be here today celebrating 30 years! That's community right there. And that is a reminder to you, you don't need to be afraid. You just have to do it, take that leap of faith, step out there and just rise. So, with that said, again, one more time for the Fatasi Performing Arts. Let's go! Fatasi! Ready!
They got all their drums here already. They can perform here with the ocean in the background.
Right now,
The sun's getting low. It's really beautiful here and super crowded with a bunch of people that maybe have never seen these kind of performances or SIVA Api, so it's kind of exciting. with the sun behind me. You ready to perform for all these people?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we'll see. It's almost dark. Hello, Falafel everyone. We are here today at the largest POLYFEST in Washington State. It's near Seattle. It's in Auburn actually, but we met some Usos here. I'm gonna introduce them to you. Here you go ahead.
Oh, what's up, Nalu?
Hey Nalu. And you have a business here?
Yeah, Salu's Kitchen. We're here feeding the artists today.
Awesome. Can you show me what you got?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Show them the food. Right there, Meat John.
Ooh, yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, it's like Korean style, but Hawaii, yeah. Mochiko chicken. A lot of artists came by already.
I need to start rapping so I can get some food.
Pork cash. We got there fried noodles.
Nice.
Nice.
Manuia.
Mac salad, you know, same old Mac salad.
Mandatory.
Yep. The Palangi favorite, huh?
Oh,
right?
Nice. Everyone's favorite, right? Hey, thanks for showing.
Thanks, man.
Right, and they got all their families and friends here. Yeah. So we got some rapping over here. I gotta find Silhouette and take the equipment to her. People here. There's 2 stages. There's one stage with performers. There's one stage that's all rappers. I'll get a picture of the crowd here in a second. You got performers here getting ready to go on. Let's see. I gotta find a tent with Silhouette in it. They were right behind the stage.
We do it for the people, man. Make some noise.
This is awesome.
POLYFEST, make some noise. That's no ladies and gentlemen.
That is Lone Star. If you've heard of Lone Star.
You just buzzed in.
walk around the rest of the POLYFEST. But right now it's kind of hectic because the kids are trying to get ready, and I think they have a fence here segregated for the performer people and their families, and then the regular people. This actually costs $30 a person to get in if they're over 15, I think. If you're over 15, it's $30 to get in. If you're under, it's 20. Oh, someone's living hard life right there. Bang, bang. Or shooting their own truck. Hopefully it was themselves, not people shooting at them. All right, I was able to get on the other side of the fence, so I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Looks like they have some jump houses here for the kids. That's cool. I smell food, so they gotta have food somewhere. The one food I showed at the beginning there, that is for the performers only. So this has been going on all day, so we're here really late because we don't perform until like another hour, but we get here early to prepare and change and stuff. But yeah, apparently this is the most crowded one in Washington State. And hi, wave. I'm trying to look and see what's around here besides the stage. This might give you an idea like how many people are here. And there's another stage behind us that we'll go over there as soon as you can see how many people are there. We're actually, I found out we're going to perform on the other stage. So we'll be moving all the stuff over there.
My name is Techie, y'all. I love you so much.
And I'll see everyone in a bit here. Ho!
Hana!
Ho!
When I say Hana, you say ho! Hana!
Ho!
Hana!
Ho!
Give it up one more time for
Let's get it.
Thank you so much, sis. Make some noise, everybody. Make some noise for being here. Come on.
Yeah, this place is so big
This is
that
not too fast. Let's go.
you can't even really see the one stage from the other stage. So there could be people over there doing something. You couldn't even hear it at this end. So that's pretty cool. The next act getting ready to go on.
I say yeah.
You know
perform, the last act left, and now the crowd's reforming. You can see there's like thousands of people coming. I hope the kids don't freak out. I think this will be the most rowdiest crowd they've ever performed in. And there's Asika. There's Samoa. She's gonna do the filming. Why do the putting out the fireworks?
Our Tupulafi mission is to share our Samoan fire knife dancing by staying connected with Fa'alalo, Mamalu, Ainga, which means respect, honor, and family. Tonight, we're featuring 3 of our students, Gavino, Shiaki, and Silhouette. This year, our Tupulafi students have the opportunity to compete in Hawaii for the World Fire Knife Competition, located on the beautiful island of Oahu. Tonight, we'll feature a special performance by our very own World Fire Knife Champion, Chief Jocko Upuali. So sit back, relax, as we share our Samoan history through our fire knife dancing.
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts bro, lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. I'm going mainstream. Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
To our kids, you know, if we don't pass this down, it won't live on. So everybody give it up for Jocko for doing what he does. Gavino, Shiaki, Silhouette, one more big applause. Come on, y'all, come on. Shout out to POLYFEST for bringing us on. I'm Love Patui, I'm one of the dads here, and we support what we do. We love you guys, thank you guys.
First time light up. Just started not even like a month ago. He's doing pretty good. spin, spin. Wow. Oh my God, that's so good! You go! Another first time light up person. Woo! I love these. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! They're spinning it. Let's go! All right, okay. Woo! Woo! Amazing. These kids are amazing. Yeah. Woo! Good job! Yeah! Oh, you guys! Yeah! Woo! Another first time light up, one of our older students. Here's our fourth first time ever lighting up. Woo! You got it, you got it! Yeah! Wow, he's touching it. He's feeling so good. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Gavino's sister. She is so awesome.
She's
She's
a
not
pro.
scared at all.
Yeah.
How old is he?
He just turned 5 August 3rd.
This little boy just turned 5 like a week ago. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. How long has he been with the class?
Since February.
Since February, okay. So he's been practicing with practice sticks since February. It's now August. This will be his first time ever trying to light up. He is the cutest thing. Here we go. He's so cute. I can't wait to watch him. It's so precious. Let's go! Woo! Oh my God. He's so good. He's so adorable. I got this!
Yeah, you got it!
Yeah, put it down, put it down. No, no, no. Yeah, put it down.
Woo! Don't be dead!
You don't want to burn his clothes. Tabitha's so cute. He started at 4 years old. Great job! Oh my gosh, all the kids are hugging.
Oh my God.
Mama's gonna cry. Mama's gonna make me cry.
Oh, I should have recorded that. Oh.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you gotta send it to. Oh my God, it was so cute. Oh my God.
High fives to everyone.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this little girl was gonna do it. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's so adorable. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. She just started. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. I love how SIVA brings culture together. Yes. Woo! She's running to her mommy. Awesome. Another first timer. Wow, it's so cute. We got so many first timers. Just started. Even the practice night, they haven't even did that long. And they're so brave. They're so brave to do this light up tonight. We're so proud of them. Looks like we have an actual Seahawk player coming into drum for us.
Oh no. No.
Oh, don't bust the myth. He's a Seahawk player. I think his name's Russell Wilson. Now plays for the Denver Broncos.
Never heard of him.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we are here today for our anniversary dinner.
Hello. Hello.
We have been married for 30 years. Not her. Her. I love you, honey. So we thought you'd enjoy see us eating out at our favorite Chinese restaurant. So they're getting their tea. Silhouette and me don't feel very good. We got cruddy, and Tala's been sick. But we won't get into that. The list is too long. She just gagged herself by, had the syrup on the bottom, and she drank the syrup straight through the straw. She's like, oh. And Silhouette's gonna try to drink some hot tea. Hopefully it'll make her feel better.
Ooh, actually it is.
It's very hot though. You might want to wait a second. Everyone got strawberry lemonade. I'm waiting for my drink, but they didn't get it yet. I'm thirsty. Where's my drink? So this place is called Emperor's Palace. They have 2 of them. They have one in Lacey, which is the one we're at right now. And they have the original one, I believe, which is in Olympia. But it's always been our favorite Chinese restaurant. Just not because of any particular thing about the restaurant, but the food is so good. So we finally got my drink. Even when I was a kid, I always loved these little things they put on restaurants that show what year you were born. Me and Mommy were both born the year of the dragon. What year are you born in, Silhouette?
Tiger.
The tiger. Which one are you, Acapella? What year were you born in? Year of the what?
Boar.
Year of the wild boar. And Tala is born in the year of what?
84.
But what's it say on the paper? Did you already get rid of your paper? You didn't get one? You got gypped, man. She didn't get a paper. It'll say the dates underneath it.
I think it's a rat.
Yeah, rat.
It's a rat, and Tala's a rat. And there you know our Chinese zodiac. Oh,
These are kids.
oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Is that mushroom?
Yeah, there's mushroom in it. What did you think it was?
Did you guys want small plates?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Here's the ranch.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. I know, I ate the crispy spring rolls with the ranch.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. There we go.
Just eat them on the mushrooms, Alva.
Oh, you don't like mushrooms?
No, I was.
She's not allowed to have mushrooms.
You're not what?
I'm not allowed.
Oh, you're not allowed.
Yeah.
Why?
She's got mushrooms in yours?
They said you can't eat mushrooms.
Yeah, so what the lady on the phone said.
Oh, I never heard of that.
No.
You got mushrooms.
Wait,
She has
I
less
freaking
mushrooms.
love mushrooms.
She wants to trade the soup because you got less mushrooms.
Oh.
And we got prawns. This is how we bicker when we eat. We got prawns.
Here.
And we like putting our prawns in ranch dip because everything tastes better with ranch. It's good. I like it.
What's the meat?
Chicken. It's a chicken broth with like egg drops in it. It's my favorite soup.
I know. You want to eat the mushroom.
So as you can tell, we're not doing anything fancy this year for our 30th anniversary. Just going out to dinner. We have so many trips coming up. So this is August. September we're going to Utah. And we'll film that. The following month, me and Silhouette are going back to Hawaii. And then in November, Silhouette and I are going to Samoa.
Okay, sir. Did
Yeah.
you want the, I know you don't want any vegetables. Do you want the crispy rice noodles underneath?
I don't have to have them.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
It comes with it.
No.
No? Okay, perfect. So just the,
Thank you. one more prawn.
That's actually pretty good.
Oh, the soup? I know, I love it. Mm-mm.
So I've never had this before.
You did, you just didn't want to drink it. You did it last time, remember?
Mm-hmm.
It's chicken. Chicken breast. They're good? Yeah, it's good for you too, especially since you don't feel good today. Yeah, you can throw it in there. So Utah, we're actually driving there. And it'll be Mommy's first time she gets to go see Silhouette in the competition. It's called the Masters of Flame, I believe, competition. And also, while we're there, we are going to try to find the best Polynesian food in Utah, which I'm assuming it'll probably be around Salt Lake City. So we will do that, and we will videotape that too. I'm very excited. I can't wait for the trip.
There's someone a year younger than you?
Older. What the hell?
Oh, you said hell. Oh, God, busted. Bad girl, bad girl. She will be punished. Here you go, Tyler.
Did you want another strawberry lemonade? No? Okay. That's yours.
Ooh, that looks good.
Orange chicken? Ma'am, that's yours with the lo mein.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then we have the Mongolian beef.
Thank you.
Yours. And there's soy sauce on the table if you folks need it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And teriyaki chicken, no veggies.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, you guys enjoy.
You too. I mean, thank you.
No, that's okay. I got you.
The Silhouette got the teriyaki chicken.
Oh, I did get rice.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy got sweet and sour pork with lo mein and stir-fried rice. Acapella got orange chicken in a bowl. And Tala got orange chicken. Oh, sweet and sour chicken with stir-fried rice and some soft noodles with veggies. Healthy. And I got Szechuan beef, no vegetables, no crunchy noodles, extra spicy.
A bowl of rice.
Oh, and my rice. I'm excited. Let's see if it's spicy.
I'm filled with fumes. Is it?
It is a little spicy this time. Sometimes we get stuff here, and even though I want it spicy, it's not spicy enough. But this has a good tang to it. Monkeys. Mmm.
Oh, get off my fork.
Oh, really good. Have you tried your pork, sweet and sour pork yet?
Good.
Good.
It's crunchy outside. And they're real soft inside.
Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside.
It's really good.
No, I like my steak.
Okay.
See, I can't eat with metal forks.
You can eat what?
I can't eat with metal forks.
Oh. Yeah.
What's on my noodle?
What's that look?
What is it?
Watermelon.
There's a car that's red and green, and it had little seeds on it like a watermelon. It went by.
There's that for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Traded with you.
Let's take that.
There you go.
Nice go.
Yeah.
Put that over there. So everyone's doing to-go boxes. Put in their thing to-go boxes. I am trying to finish all mine, but I may just put it in to-go box too because I love eating this as leftovers.
Yeah.
What? What? So was crying because she has a little sore bump on her arm. I told her she had ringworm.
I'm laughing too hard.
Or a mosquito bite. It gotta be a mosquito bite, right?
It's gotta be.
Maybe you got horse hoof and mouth disease.
Horse bite.
I think it's West Nile virus.
No.
Oh my god. Don't mess with it. It's going to pop and all the eggs will come out. All the baby spiders. They got... Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Say bye, everyone. Say bye. Say bye, Tara. Say something in Samoan. There's a lot of Samoan people watching. Can you speak Samoan? Kofa?
Gofa.
Gofa.
That's tofa, like.
Oh, but you're saying it with a K. Kofa. Hey, that's a new way, slang way.
Gofa.
Kofa, gofua. Oh no, that's not right?
You said
I'm kidding. I did? Okay, sorry. Tofa, soifua. Love you guys. Bye. Tala just explained what I said by accident. I was just trying to say everything with a K. What's wrong? I don't know if I'll delete that or not, but it was totally by accident. I didn't mean if I did say something bad. I don't know what it was. I'm so sorry. Tofa, soifua, bye. Till next time, we love you. Peace.
Not the apology.
What?
The apology.
Not the apology video? Good time, good time. So we are done. Our bellies are full. You can get a sucker silhouette.
Got a booster table.
What's that?
Booster
Am I gonna get sucker? Oh, we're leaving. Go ahead, Tala. Poor Tala can barely walk. She got edema.
Oh, look at the fishy.
Oh, they're scared. You see that when I come in with a camera, they go away. That guy's had a drink or two, huh? He's pretty happy. They know we're here. That is so weird. I thought fish were oblivious, but they obviously can tell we're here because they react differently when I'm standing over here. All right, we're leaving them alone.